Do you know why most Americans struggle with money? It's not because they don't earn enough. It's because they don't know how to manage it. Today, I'm going to share proven strategies to save, invest, and grow your wealth in 2025. Stay with me till the end because the last tip can save you thousands every year. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and investments. Example, $3,000 per month equals $1,500 needs, $900 wants, $600 savings and investments. Tip: automate your savings with apps like Mint or YNAB. Think saving is boring? Wait till you see how small changes can grow into big money fast. Track subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, cancel unused. Switch to cheaper alternatives like generic brands or cheaper plans. Home cooking versus eating out. Avoid impulsive online shopping. The money you save here can be invested to grow faster than your salary, and I'll show you exactly how next. Importance: 3 to 6 months expenses. Keep separate from checking account. Example: $3,000 per month equals $9,000 to $18,000 fund. Tip: use high-yield savings account. Now that your savings are safe, let's unlock the secret investments that make your money work for you. Index funds or ETFs. Dollar cost averaging. Risk versus reward. Example: $200 per month investment equals long-term growth. Think stocks are too risky? Don't worry, there's a safer option coming up next. Rental properties, passive income. Small down payment strategies. Example: $50,000 down payment property equals $500 per month passive income. No big capital? No problem. The next tip works even if you start with just $100. Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Diversification is key. And here's the golden rule: never put all your eggs in one basket. Freelancing, Upwork, Fiverr, digital services, logo design, social media management, flipping items online, Amazon, eBay. Example: $500 to $1,000 per month extra equals fully invest for compounding. The best part, this side income can become your main income if you scale it properly. Recap: budgeting, save, emergency fund, invest, side hustle. Money is earned, but real wealth comes from managing and growing it. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite tip below.